Planets. Oh, no. Oh, what is this? The first one. What is that?
Mars.
No, the other one. The first one. This one.
Mercury.
Mercury.
Mars.
No.
Mars.
No. You just say
Venus.
Venus. And we're gonna live.
Earth.
Earth.
Venus.
No. This is Venus. They are same, but the Venus is bigger circle than the what? This is the other one you say. Mama.
Mercury.
Mars. That's why you said Mars. This is see, you're confused. Mercury is black.
Mercury.
Oh, again. Remember, Mercury is black. See, look, it's a black.
Mercury. Mars.
B.
B.
Venus.
Venus.
Oh, Venus is bigger than?
Earth.
No, bigger than Mars.
Mars.
Oh. Then this one is
Earth.
Earth. Where is people live? We are here in the Earth. Okay. Next. Wala man din eh. Paano nag-aaway? Kaya pinalabas ko.
Oo nga.
Oh, yung nag-aaway. Oh. Dali na. Wala. Ito. Bigyan mo. Bigyan mo. Dali na.
Mama.
Dali na. You're gonna learn this one. What is this? What is this? Mercury?
Mercury.
Venus? No. Oh. Earth? Mars? Jupiter?
Saturn.
Very good.
Pluto.
No. Uranus?
Uranus. Pluto.
No. Neptune.
Neptune.
The last one is Pluto, the small one, the small block. Is the smaller. Okay, again. You're gonna do it again. Okay.
Mercury. Venus.
Good job.
Earth.
Okay.
Mercury.
No, Mercury is here, black one.
Mars.
The hot one, the Mars. Yeah, very good. Next.
Jupiter.
Okay.
Saturn.
Uranus.
Uranus.
Neptune.
Neptune. Pluto.
Very good, Pluto. So this is the flag. Where is our Philippine flag? Find in this line. Where is the Philippine flag?
That's us.
Where is the Philippine flag? You see in the school. Here. You're gonna choose here. Where is it?
Here.
That's the
Our Philippine flag.
Philippine flag. And how about this one? What is this? Transpo.
Has airplane. Helicopter. Airplane. What is called?
Kalesa. The kabayo
Kalesa.
with the... This one is kalesa. People right here. Okay?
And horse.
Oh, yeah. Horse pulling the...
It's Kalesa.
Kalesa. Okay?
And jeep.
AUV car.
A UB
So
car.
different kinds of cars. This is cars. Okay?
What is this?
Car. Another car. But different car.
What is this name?
It's only car, baby. I don't know too. Look like van car or what
Van
is
car.
Yeah. And this one?
Tricycle.
Bicycle. Very good.
Motorcycle. What is this?
There's a pedicab.
Pedicab.
Bicycle with the cover. It's called pedicab.
Pedicab.
This one?
Jeep.
Jeep.
Boat.
Ship. Because it's a big.
Garbage
It's
truck.
not a garbage truck. It's a truck.
It's
Container
a truck.
truck. It's a container van truck, baby.
It's
Some special food in special goods inside.
food
Okay? Yeah, it's a good. Bring to the other
And-
places.
and
What's that?
train and bus
Bus. Okay.
and
Vinta.
winter.
A yacht. It's a yacht.
A yacht.
A special boat.
Speedboat.
Oh, yeah. Speedboat or motorboat. Okay? And then, how about this?
Ship.
Oh, ship. How about this vegetable? Vegetable is, what is the Tagalog of, what is gulay is, in English is gulay, vegetables. Oh, what is this?
Okra.
Okay.
Broccoli. Tomato.
Oh, Okay, good job. Bagu beans or
Bagu
bichuelas.
beans.
Cucumber.
Cucumber.
Better gourd.
Buttergourd.
Lettuce.
Lettuce.
Sayote.
Sayote.
Oh, this one.
Carrot.
Carrot.
Eggs.
And this one. Mustasa. Mustard.
Mustard.
Mustard in English.
And eggplant.
Eggplant. Pechay.
Pechay.
Kangkong.
Kangkong.
Very good. How about the animals?
How about the fruit?
Yeah.
How was the fruit?
The fruits is sticking out. We're gonna put it back again. Never mind. How about this animals first? What is this kind of animal?
Horse. Nay, nay.
Nay, nay.
Goat.
Goat.
Mama.
Goat is meh, like that. How about this one?
Pig. Oh,
Pig.
no.
On this one.
Cowboy.
Then
Parrot.
this parrot. Okay. Bird. Okay. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Like
Tweet,
that.
tweet, tweet.
Then this one,
No.
the big gray one.
Elephant.
Elephant.
Dog.
Duck.
Cow.
Cow.
Cat.
Cat.
Turtle.
Turtle.
Frog.
Frog.
Chicken.
Roaster. This is the tatay. We can call this chicken roaster because tatay. See?
Roaster.
The nanay is hen. Okay? This one? Tiger?
Tag. Is a cow dog.
Tiger dog. Okay.
It's
Then,
a cow dog.
cow dog? No, it's a dog only, baby. It's but this look like cow because it's black and white, black or brown, right? This one. What is the shapes? What is the shapes? How about the shapes?
Circle.
Okay.
Circle.
No, circle is very round. This one is a little bit circle and it's oval.
Oval.
Mm.
And this is a white one is oval
Oblong.
like my head.
It's oblong. See, look, they are more similar, but
Yeah.
the circle one is very very round one.
It
Okay.
looks like my head.
Yeah. Circle, oval, oblong,
Oblong.
and this one.
Octagon.
Pentagon,
Pentagon.
pentagon.
Heptagon.
Heptagon. Don't take it out. Heptagon, this one.
Diamond.
Hexagon.
Hexagon. Square. Rectangle. Triangle. Star. Diamond.
Diamond. Very good. How about the colors? How about the colors?
Oh.
This.
Green.
Green.
Yellow green.
Yellow green.
Yellow green. Yellow. Orange.
Yellow orange.
Yellow orange.
Yellow orange. Orange.
Yellow orange.
Yellow orange. Orange.
Red.
Red orange.
Red orange.
Red.
Red.
Red violet.
Red violet.
Violet and purple is the same, baby. This is purple or
Purple.
violet, okay? Blue violet.
Blue violet.
Blue.
Blue.
Green blue.
Green blue. Green.
And yellow green.
Yellow
Very
green.
good. And then how about this one? This one.
Alpha. Only A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Hi, very good.
Now I know my next time to sing with me.
Very good. And how about this one? What is this?
No, I mean 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. I mean 7, 6, 5, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Bravo.
Basta.
Good job. You learn a lot. Very good. You learn a lot of things, okay? That's it. Now, what you gonna do? Finish everything? Writing and the reading? What you gonna do now?
Take a left.
Take a rest. Are you tired?
Yeah.
Wow, you're tired pala. Oh, yeah.
How about we can play
Which one?
Whoa, at my Lego.
Lego? I thought you're very tired. Are you gonna rest for a while? Then later we're gonna use it. Okay? Is that okay?
Tita,
Mm.
how about